Hello, and welcome back to RTC Tutorials. In today's video, I am gonna show you a simple trick on how to use Emoji keyboard on a Windows 10 or 11 device. Let's try writing an email as an example. To use Emojis, simply hit Windows + and Emoji keyboard will pop up. Then you can click whatever emojis you want. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video upload. Thank you.